Hello everyone, welcome back to CS Lectures YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain the sixth program of Java Practical. So let's see what is the program. So write a Java program to convert a decimal number to binary number. So let's move to Notepad. We'll write the program in Notepad and after that we will execute it in command prompt. So I'm moving to Notepad. So inside the notepad, I will write import space java dot lang dot asterisk semicolon. Next import space java dot util dot asterisk semicolon. So after that, class, suppose decimal to binary. I'm giving the class name as D2B. So inside the class, I am declaring public static void in bracket argument list string args square bracket, then opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Okay. So inside the main method, I want to create a variable that will store the decimal number. Suppose int num semicolon. So after that, I would like to create scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner within bracket system dot in semicolon. Then num is equal to sc dot next int within bracket semicolon. Here you see, before writing this, let me write the system dot out dot print ln in double quotation. I'm writing enter the decimal number alone, double quotation end, then semicolon. So now num equal to sc dot next int. So by this line, we can give input from the keyboard so that it will be stored in the num variable. So after that, I would like to print system dot out dot print ln within bracket integer dot to binary string within bracket variable num bracket and semicolon. So this is the println statement. Within this println statement, I have written integer dot to binary string within bracket. I have passed the argument as the num variable. So this statement, this is integer class. This comes under java.lang package. So integer class, within that dot to binary string method, this method will convert the decimal integer to binary number. That means in the form of binary representation. So now let's save the program and compile it inside the command prompt. So I am moving to Java lab. So inside the Java lab, I am saving it d2b dot java save. So inside Java lab, So I'm d2b.java, then save. So now my program is saved. Let's move to command prompt. cmd, then cd slash. So next cd space java lab, next java c space d2.java. So there is some error. Let's move to the program and see what is the error. So import space java.lang d2b num space uh, integer dot to binary string num public static void main. What is the error? So here two double quotation is there. That's why it was showing the error. Now once again save it. Next, let's move to Java C space d2.java. So now the program is correct. So let me clear the screen. Java C space d2.java. So the program is compiled successfully. There is no error. Now I want to execute it. Java space d2b. So enter the decimal number. Suppose I'm entering 12. So the decimal number 12 is converted to 1100. That is the binary equivalent of 12. So again, Java space d2.d2b. Enter the decimal number. So I'm entering 20. So the 20 is converted to 10100. So let's move to the program. So here we can also write system out dot println within bracket double quotation binary equivalent equivalent of the binary equivalent of num is num is colon semicolon. So here I will write print. Next save. If you write print, then it will be printed just after this line. So next move to the command prompt and see java c space compile java space d2b. Enter the decimal number. So I'm entering suppose 15. The binary equivalent of 15 is 1111. Okay. Okay, again, let's move to the so I just made some changes within the double quotation so that it will be looking good. So now let's move to the command prompt and execute once again. Java space d2b. Enter the decimal number. Suppose decimal number is suppose 22. The binary equivalent of 22 is 10110. Okay. Similarly, Java space d2b. Enter the decimal number. Suppose I'm entering 16. So let's see. The binary equivalent of 16 is 10000. So here you can see. So in this way, we can convert the decimal number into binary equivalent using Java programming. Okay, so if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.